Right then guys, we've just checked in to Premier Inn at King's Cross, so I'm now about to show you the room. Here we go. This is a family room.
Morning.
Right, as you can see straight away as we walk in, there is an ironing board and iron. Places to put your bags, a mirror
And found you.
which lights up,
And this.
a hairdryer, well done Miller, a wardrobe, a bed, you got your aircon unit here,
A toilet.
yeah, plenty of storage. It is a bit smaller than some of the family rooms we've been in before, but it's still perfectly fine for us. A TV, your connections.
Yeah.
Only one USB.
Is there still only one USB?
Yep. I thought in London there'd have been more than one
One
USB.
TV.
Yeah, for London.
One
Yeah.
TV.
We've got cups, glasses,
One TV.
one TV, milk, tea, sugar, coffee.
Sugar. Yes, please.
We've got your standard double bed. And Millie's demonstrating a single bed. And tables, lamps, the usual stuff that you get at a Premier Inn.
The inaugural bottle opener.
Oh yeah, the bottle opener. Show you the bathroom and then we'll show you the view. So it's just a typical Premier Inn bathroom.
And there's
The toilet, the mirror, the sink,
a bath.
a bath that Millie's climbing into. I'll just shut the door so you can see.
I'm having a bath today.
Yep, you're going to lie down in it.
I'm already here.
There you go. That's how big it is. You got your shower.
Anyway, it's scary a bit.
So it is a basic Premier Inn room.
I need to get out.
There you go.
It's just so nice.
And let's go and see what your view is. It's quite dark out there because we did get catch in a massive thunderstorm.
Yeah. And there's lights,
It
look.
looks like a hotel or something opposite. And if you look over there, it's either cranes or it's a theme park ride. I'd go for cranes.
Yeah.
It does look a bit like Vertigo.
Yeah. Well, like, if it was, wouldn't it, up there? To have a bit of
But now
of the
we
building. Well, yeah, it's,
And to be honest, it wasn't a bad walk from King's Cross. It's fairly close.
yeah, even when it's chucking it down on the inaugural traffic in London, where it's gridlocked.
So that's it for this Premier Inn room. We'll try and show you downstairs
Yeah.
if we get round to
Should
it,
we do
because
it
it is
now?
quite busy at the moment.
Should we do
and
it now?
obviously we don't like to film because we don't like to get people on camera that don't want to be on camera.
Should we do it?
So we'll try our best.
Yeah.
And that's it for now.
Right, bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.
Right, this is the way for the lifts. We're on the third floor, as you can see with the vending machine. And there is downstairs. It's lovely. And here's the lifts.
Take your pick.
Such a big area.
No.
Right, and here you go. There's a lot of seating area. Bar+Block Steakhouse is just over there. And if you look up, amazing, isn't it? That's the entrance, and that is where you check in. Right, well, we're off for something to eat, so we will catch up with you later. Bye.